Regular hours this morning because the pre-show doesn't start till around 11 o'clock. So it's time for rollout. 3 contestants, they get a minute each. And first up is Youngsta Musiq.
Baby, for sure.
3.5.
3.5 for
yes.
Youngsta Musiq. Leon Danger is up next. Run the track.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. You're my God yesterday, and today the same, and remain forever, forever, and forever, Lord. Oh, I say, touch me, Lord, with some of your blessings, Lord, anoint me with health and strength. Touch me, Lord, with some of your blessings, Lord, anoint me with health and strength. I know if I'm weak, Lord, you will make me strong. So here to you, I stretch my hand in your arms, Lord.
All right.
I like Leon Danger. I'm going to give him a 4.
Leon Danger gets a 4. You're losing your voice.
I am. I thought it was going to happen. Though.
Yep. And the final contestant is Empress Irenique.
Warriors, I'm a true warrior. Warriors, I'm a real warrior. Warrior. Oh, oh, oh. Let me know, are you a victim of poverty? So tired of lies and dishonesty. Are you a victim of being hurt? So tired of pain cause you know you were. Are you a victim of trial? So tired of rejection and denials. Are you a victim of unequal circumstances that blighted our chances? Tell me that you understand, tell me that you know. Tell me that I will survive and know I'll surely grow. Tell me this is just...
All right, Empress Irenique.
I'm going to give her a 3.
A 3. All right. But give us a call, 733-246-26, and you guys will decide who will take us out. Either Youngsta Musiq, Leon Danger, or Empress Irenique. So give us a call, 733-246-26, and you will decide who takes her out. Go for a break. Who takes us out?
Okay.
Go for a break. Suka.